Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
First, we will install Azure Storage Explorer on your computer step by step. Download Azure Storage Explorer for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux from the official site. Run the installer and accept the license, then choose Default Settings and Install Location. Installation usually finishes within a few minutes depending on your connection and system speed. When setup completes, launch Storage Explorer from your Applications menu or Start menu. You will see a welcome interface, ready for connections and account sign-in. Now we will connect Storage Explorer to your Azure resources so you can manage data. Click the plug icon or choose Add Account and sign in with your Azure account to list subscriptions. If you prefer not to sign in, choose Connect using SAS, connection string, or storage account key. Paste the SAS token or connection string when prompted and name the connection for easy identification. After connecting, expand the subscription or connection to reveal blob containers, file shares, tables, and queues. With a connection established, you can upload, download, and manage storage objects quickly. Drag and drop files into a blob container to upload, or right-click and choose Upload for files and folders. Select an item and choose Download to save it locally or Delete to remove it from the storage account. Use the search box and filters to find specific blobs and open blob properties to change access tiers or metadata. For automation, create and run simple upload scripts or connect to Azure CLI for advanced workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.